Hello, this is SAVOX Andy. Today I want to introduce a F3K rudder and elevator servo. Okay, there is a special design for the F3K rudder servo and for the elevator and rudder. So this one is a SV-1251. So his comparison with the SV-1250, the mini servo. So the difference is that due to the space limited, so we shorter a little bit for the 1251. So it's around 1.5 millimeter. So you can see the comparison here. So 1251 is shorter compared to a 1250. It's 1.5 millimeter. The space all the same. So it's you also can use in 8.4 volt for that. If you still have a space limiting concern, then you can choose the SV-1232. You have a 5 kg for that. So this one is ideal for the rudder. So they are all available in the market. If you are interested, please contact with your SAVOX distributor. Thank you. Okay, right now it's a QA time.
What is F3K?
The F3K is a non-power hand launch glider. So it means you don't have a power system like motor to push the glider. It's all depend on the wind. So that's called F3K.
What is the difference between DC motor and coilless motor?
Oh, for the new glider wind servo, we choose the coilless motor because the efficiency is much higher than DC motor and also can accept for the 8.4 volt, the high voltage. And also because we shoulder the glider servo, so we want to have a same power as the old one, 0211. So that's why we choose a coilless motor.
So why we want to redesign the glider servo SG-1212?
Oh, for the SG-1212, because for the F3K glider, they have a limited on the space. That's why we want to shoulder the case and to fit with the wind. We also shoulder the rudder servo for that because the space limited. So if you still have any question, please write us the email or leave the message. We will keep doing the Q&A session for that.
Thank you.
Thank you.